today for the Bitcoin price. And guys, you know my multi-million-dollar trades on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna be fine. Bitcoin is gonna pump, maybe not this week, but I'm gonna be fine. But I have a person here who is saying I'm not gonna be fine. Let me actually introduce you this person, DaVinci J15. How are you doing today, my man?
You know how I do 555, man, here in Singapore.
I was doing well before he told me what he is expecting to happen for Bitcoin. Something which I was not expecting, but I think I want to let you talk, my dear friend. I mean, we did so many videos back in the days. If you want more of these videos, we need your likes on this video. We need your subscriptions. We need your shares and your comments down below. I think we will go down and see what the guys have to say about our beautiful collaboration here.
Yes, okay, so we want to talk about where Bitcoin's going, right?
Yes, and this prediction is one which he told me just like 2 meters from here. It was knocking off my socks. I mean, I'm bare feet, right? He has the Bitcoin socks, but I was not believing it. Maybe you can elaborate a little bit on what price level you are expecting for Bitcoin. Soon we are talking about not a bullish price level, and then I want to go a little bit more into detail how to handle the situation and so on.
Yeah, well, we've seen Bitcoin bounce off of the 20K before, right? And so we have to retest that level. We have to once make sure that that's where the buyers are truly going to buy. And that's how the market works. The market will always, like, especially when we're in the bear market, we've seen it retest, you know, the 3,000-ish level.
We did.
Right?
We always had a retest. We also had a retest in the cycle before.
Exactly.
Bitcoin always went down. Where the thing was like we went down to 150, then went up and it retested again the $200 level or something.
Exactly.
So and this time 20,000 compared to 15 would be similar to 3,800 in the last cycle to compare to 3,100 and then 200 to 150. So a retest where the second low is higher than the previous low.
So whether we draw out a head and shoulders pattern, which is where you could see that there could be a head and shoulders pattern, if you look at the charts, but we don't have charts here, that could be drawn out if we pump all the way to close to 30K and then drop back down, or we continue down, right? It doesn't matter. The 20K is going to be retested. We could end up pumping all the way to 40K and not going testing the 20K, but we're still going to test the 20K one more time before we actually see a bull market.
You're pretty serious, you're pretty certain about that, right?
Yeah.
What would you say what people should do if they are like I am right now in a low leverage long position? I mean, my long position, the liquidation price is somewhere at like 19,000, so I would be fine, of course.
I saw your liquidation. It was like 21.
No, that's the entry price, I think.
You sure? Okay.
That's the entry price. But
yeah, average is yes,
that's the
right,
entry price. So it's below 20.
Yeah,
I think
right.
I have to
That's
double
right,
check.
That's right, yes.
I'm not sure, but I have to double check.
Yeah.
But if it just wicks a little bit below that, I would be gone, right? So what would you say to people like me who are having a trade open, or for people who are looking out to open a trade, maybe short trade? Should they wait and just open a long trade around the 20,000? What's your own trading strategy?
Well, I would trade the shorter time frames right now. I would wait for an entry for a short here. The most likely scenarios that we go down further, and so go for a short. Yeah, you could get stopped out, and then you have to reestablish your short at a higher level. But that's where you should. That's what you're looking for, is a short all the way down to 20K. Now it's going to be hard to get past the 25K. It's not going to be easy. Don't be surprised if we bounce higher.
A lot of support there, for sure. Okay, interesting. I mean, guys, you know, on the 15th of, maybe you don't know, but now you know, on the 15th of September, it's his birthday. So I will leave actually his link, his YouTube link, in the very first line of the pinned comment in the video description. Go over, subscribe to DaVinci. He bought Bitcoin at $1, actually at 67 cents. So if you want to listen to anyone, maybe listen to this gentleman here, follow him, and also on the 15th of September, send him some kind birthday wishes.
I'm not 50 cents, I'm 67 cents.
67 cents, yes! All right, thank you so much for watching. Any last words to say before we are wrapping it up for today?
Yeah, always play from a position of strength and do not get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll leave the Bible link down below if you want to use it. If you're an experienced trader, click register deposit. You can claim your bonus. If not, also okay. Most important, highest priority is follow this gentleman. Bye-bye.